having a look at equation of a line. In this video, I'm just going to focus on finding those parts of the equation. So when we see an equation y equals mx plus c, the m is our gradient, the slope of our line, and the c is our y-intercept, or where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm just focusing on how we can identify those in equations and how we can write equations with them. So looking at the first equation, I've got 3x plus 5. So that means that my m, my gradient is 3, and my y-intercept is 5. So if I was asked that, I would have m equals 3 and y equals 5. In the next one, you'll notice it's a little bit different because we have a minus 4 there. So our gradient is 3, just like in the first one, but our y-intercept is negative 4. Always be careful to include that negative in your answer. The next one we've got is a half x plus 4. So our gradient is the half, our m is the half, and our y-intercept is the 4. Then in our last one of this type, we've got our gradient is negative 3, and our y-intercept is 5. Then I've got two questions here where you're given m equals 2, c equals 5, and you have to write the equation. So instead of writing mx plus c, I'm going to write 2x plus 5 because I'm substituting those parts into that general form of an equation of a line. In my last one, I've got my mx plus c. I'll just quickly write that there so you can see where it's coming from. Our m is negative 1/3, our c is negative 2, so I can write that as y equals negative 1/3 x, and instead of plus 2, I'm going to write minus 2 there. So if I had some white out, I would white that out. And that is just that start of doing equation of a line. If you want to then have a look at how you find the equation of a line based on some coordinates, there is a video on the channel that goes through that. So have a look at finding the equation of a line, and that'll show you how to do that from two coordinates.